Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling NFC and updating your device. Those prerequisites let Google Wallet communicate with terminals. Open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign to add a payment card or pass. Enter card details manually or scan the card. Once done, the bank will verify. Expect an SMS code, app confirmation, or CVV prompt. This step secures your card in Google's tokenized system, so you pay without exposing real card numbers at checkout. Once your cards are in Wallet, set a default for Tap to Pay so you don't fumble at checkout. Go to Settings and pick one. Make sure a secure screen lock and biometrics are active. Google Wallet requires them to authorize payments and protect tokens. Add transit passes, loyalty cards, and boarding passes. Arrange priority order to surface the right pass quickly. This configuration speeds payments and ensures secure authentication, so real transactions stay safe. To pay, wake your phone and tap it to the terminal. Watch for vibration or check the on-screen confirmation. If you change banks or lose a device, remove or freeze cards in Wallet and use Find My Device to lock or erase the phone. If a payment fails, first update the Wallet app, clear cache, and retry. If that does not help, remove and re-add the card after re-verifying with your bank. This resolves most issues while preserving security and continuity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.